total entertainment package ka ba hinahanap mo for the whole family? Kaka-renovate ko lang na aking room and I'm looking for the perfect TV na pwede ko ilagay dito sa wall. And finally, nakahanap ako ng TV na gustong-gusto ko i-hang dito sa aking wall. And it's none other than the Sharp AQUOS the TV. It's a LED TV and ang model niya to be exact, it's the 40C70DL1X. Itong 70-incher TV na ito, feel ko perfect lang siya dito sa aking room. And yung size niya is tamang-tama lang for yung lapad ng aking wall. And hindi siya sobrang liit, hindi siya sobrang laki, katamtaman lang. That's the reason bakit itong size ang pinili namin. And dahil smart TV siya, lahat ng gusto namin mapanood, be it on Netflix, sa YouTube, sa Prime Video, ESPN, HBO, lahat kain-kain na nito. Basta maganda yung internet connection. So samahan niyo ako, walkthrough ko kayo dito sa TV na ito. So kakasaksak lang din natin and honestly, haven't really booted it up yet. So hawak natin ang kanyang remote control which kailangan mo ng dalawang AAA na battery which doesn't comes included. So power on muna natin. So you'll see the Sharp logo. So it's Android TV by the way. So you find a lot of yung mga Android apps dito ng APK na pwede mo install, which we'll talk a little bit about that later. So first things first is to set up, no? So English. Pwede mo i-set up with your Android phone or you can skip it, no? So I'll skip it muna para makita natin yung buong details how to install this one. Kasi meron iba using iPhone, so hindi mo magagawa yon. So let's connect to my network first. So ang ganda sa kanya, no? By default, hindi siya walang sound. May sound siya habang nagsiset up siya just to keep you a little bit entertained while you're setting up your new Sharp na TV, 70-incher. Ayun, so successful na siya connecting to the internet, checking for updates, okay? So you want to make the most of out of your TV, pwede ka mag-sign in dito sa kanya. So it depends sa inyo, no? I would prefer to sign it in para magamit natin ng lubos-lubusan to. Okay, so sign in. So this might take a while, no? Lalo na kung wala kang keyboard. You can connect any wireless keyboard na may dongle, no? Kapit niya sa likod via USB. So you can quickly type in your username, password ng mabilisan na hindi mo kailangan mag-scroll dito sa remote controller. So sign in na tayo. So let's see, let's wait. Okay, so accept lang natin terms of service niya. Okay, pwede ka rin gumamit ng Google Assistant dito. You can continue to install without this one. Ito yung mga recommended niya, no? Okay, let's continue. No? So, may choice ka naman eh, what you want to install. So, ito yung AQUOS TV natin. Ang model niya, TVP21A. So, you can easily get your apps from Google Play Store. And you can easily talk to Google Assistant if you want para mas mabilis yun. Hindi mo na kailangan tayo sa keyboard. Should you don't have any keyboard. So, you can cast your TV nga pala if you're using an Android phone easily para manood ka ng photos, videos, and music from your phone straight sa inyong TV para big screen. No? Kasi gusto mong browse sa mga old memories nyo. No? Select TV mode, it's a home. Select home mode, yes, sa bahay ko gagamitin. Built-in Chromecast is always available. Pwede mo na siya, so it's, hindi na usong cable, hindi na usong antenna. So mostly you will be using yung mga streaming apps na lang. No? So agree lang tayo sa legal terms na RC settings. Okay, so hold CHN up for 10 seconds. Sabi niya, hawakan mo lang tong app na to for 10 seconds. Yan, pairing na siya. So basically, it's pairing yung remote control natin para sa voice command. Kundi kasi baka maging generic siya na remote control, which some function might not work properly. So it's best, no? Ay, ulit-ulit. Yun. So yung trick pala is pag sila now pairing, saka mo siya hawakan. Then paired na siya. Okay, now I get it. So, you can set up Netflix, pero basically wala pa ako Netflix account. So, maybe I'll get one soon if I need one. So, right now, we'll navigate you through dito sa Sharp na AQUOS TV natin dito sa bahay. So, basically, this is everything that you see once you put it up. So, pagpunta mo sa taas, you can start watching YouTube. You can see all of your inputs here. So, you have so many options here. In case na namamblema ka, hindi mo alam ka, just press the home button. It will go back to the home screen. Checking the inputs lang ulit, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So you have TV, may AV in ka, HDMI, 4 na HDMI port sa likod, and meron kang Android TV Home, which is this one by default, okay? You can connect it to the Wi-Fi, you can check your settings. So just browse through lang naman tayo. Check the channels. We have yung device and preferences, remotes and accessories. Pwede ka rin mag-connect ng mga Bluetooth na speaker. Mabilis na naman connect, no? So, you can connect your Bluetooth keyboard, Bluetooth mouse, Bluetooth speakers, sound bars, ganon. Yeah, you can definitely do that in the future if you have your preferences na. You can check your device preferences din dito. Pwede mo kalikutin mga time, language, and other things, no? So, sounds and storage, if you want your sounds to come out from the speaker or galing from the TV, depende sa inyo. You have Google Assistant, Chromecast, everything's here. Just have to walk through lang. It's very easy to navigate, actually. Gusto ko lang makita yung storage yan, no? Ang internal storage, meron akong 4. Total space, no? Bali, lumalabas, I have roughly 6 gig and usable na is around mga 5 gig. So, available na titira sa akin is 3 gigs halos after installing all of those apps, no? By default. So, probably nag-i-install siya ng mga apps kaya nag-blackout muna siya for the meantime. But one thing na napansin ko na gustong-gusto ko dito sa TV na ito is sobrang slim ng kanyang bezel. That's one thing na sobrang gusto ko dito sa Sharp na AQUOS TV, no? You see yung bezel niya, no? Ang nipis, no? Sobrang nipis. And it's symmetrical din all throughout, which gives me a really good big view dito sa TV nito, which I personally love, no? Now, after niya mag-update, medyo nagbago konti ang itsura niya. It looks kinda more entertainment-based yung ganang background. So, probably we might be able to change it pretty soon if we want. Here are the apps, no? By default. You can get more apps, by the way, sa Google Play Store. You have Apple TV, Disney TV, lahat nandito, no? iQIYI, iFlix, Crunchyroll, and everything you can. Yeah, let's just check itong Sharp Select, no? Ano nga ba siya? Item not found. Okay, anyway, pag moving down, you have yung mga recommended from Netflix, no? Just have to get myself a account maybe soon. Meron ako account before but hindi na ako nag-renew kasi sobrang busy. Hindi rin ako nakakapamanood. No? So, let's just quickly check on YouTube. Let's just watch some videos. Pakinggan ko lang yung sounds niya. So, okay, basically you can see yung kung yung account mo nakaset, kung ano mga subscription na ginawa mo, you see them here. No, basically, these are, lilitaw naman siya matic dito, yung kanyang recommended. So, right now, just quickly push through some of the videos na gusto ko lang makita. No? So, let's just see some subscriptions. Panoodin natin one of my videos.
The budget winner ang meron dito. And this is the Intel P65.
So, ganito, no? If you're viewing a channel dito on this big screen, this is how it looks like. So, you'll really see yung talagang mabilis mag-browse through dito sa kanya. No? So, let's just watch through. So let's say gusto ko natin mag-search. Now we can easily use voice search here. Just need to point it here. Dragon Ball Daima. You'll be able to see some of the preview shows here. So this is how it looks like if you're browsing through shorts here on this TV. So let's just watch a quick game of basketball. NBA. So nakita na natin yung mga preview na pwede natin makita dito sa Sharp AQUOS when you're watching on YouTube. Expect mo really, really nice na yung resolution niya. You really get a good quality view dito, be it sa Netflix or sa YouTube. And you can watch a lot of other here like sa Apple TV, and you can watch some say Prime Video and other like YouTube Kids, ESPN. Dami mo pwedeng mapanood dito, no? And also sa Twitch, and you can simply just listen to music sa Spotify, podcast for free dito, no? So you can customize your channel depende sa gusto ninyo, no? And there's a lot of things na pwede ka pang install ng mga APK dito like Kodi, depende sa inyo, no? You just need to download and install it and arrange it depending sa trip ninyo. But as far as I'm concerned, this is definitely a good TV to have here at home. The sound quality is quite great. No? I would say na yung sound while watching NBA, parang feel mo nandun ka sa game. Magandang kanyang sound here. And I love the way it is giving me yung entertainment here at home. Now, probably I'll try to borrow a PS5 and try to mount it here and try to play para makita natin ang ganda ng resolution na kayang bigay nitong TV natin, no? If we can push it further, no, by playing some titles na gusto natin on a PS5. As far as I'm concerned, as of now, I'm really happy with this one. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa 70-inch TV ng Sharp? I would honestly tell you na it's definitely a total entertainment package na probably you might not find somewhere else, no? Maybe meron sa ibang brand, pero yung quality niya dito talagang litaw na litaw yung kanyang colors. Probably that's one thing na sobrang na-appreciate ko this TV na ito, which hindi ko siya nakita on my previous TV. Kaya pilit ako ng Sharp. No, alam naman natin Sharp is Japan technology. Nakasulat dito sa ibabaw, it's a Japan panel. So expect nating pag Japan quality, it's nothing but the best. No? So I expect nothing less from a Sharp na AQUOS TV here. I'll definitely enjoy entertainment package dito at home together with my family kasi nilagay ko to sa master's bedroom, sa bedroom namin, no, where lahat kami dito natutulog. So definitely it's going to upgrade yung entertainment namin dito sa bahay. Lalo na yung sound niya is good. No. But probably if you're medyo nabitin kayo, you can always mount a soundbar or amplifiers to give you a better experience. Pero honestly, nung nilagay ko siya sa 40%, good enough na sa akin yung sounds ay mafe-feel mo talaga yung pag nagbe-broadcast ng NBA, rinig mo yung ganda ng sound na pag nagbe-broadcast siya. So, I have no problem with it. But kung nabiti ka, you could always add yung speakers kung kinakailangan ninyo. So guys, ano tingin niyo sa TV nito? Do you appreciate it? If you like it, hit me on the comments. And kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan ko binili ito, I'll be hitting on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And if sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.